In homeopathy, certain remedies are especially known for their deep action on the respiratory system, particularly in chronic and allergic condition. One such valuable remedy is Yerba Santa, also known as Eosinophilia, described in classical materia medica, including that of William Boric. This remedy is particularly useful in chronic bronchitis, asthma, and conditions with excessive mucus formation, including tropical eosinophilia. Now we see the descriptive part. The main sphere of action of Yerba Santa is the respiratory system, especially the bronchi and lungs. It is commonly indicated in chronic bronchitis and asthma, where there is a difficulty in breathing with accumulation of thick mucus in the chest. A very characteristic feature is the sensation that the chest is full of mucus, yet it is difficult to expectorate. This leads to the oppression, heaviness in the chest, and persistent coughing. Patient may complain of wheezing, shortness of breath, and tightness in the chest, especially in long-standing respiratory conditions. Importantly, this remedy can also be considered in the conditions like tropical eosinophilia, where there is a chronic cough, breathlessness, and allergic inflammation of the lungs. In such cases, excessive mucus and airway irritation creates symptoms similar to chronic asthma. By helping to loosen the mucus, improves expectoration, and reduce bronchial congestion, Yerba Santa supports better breathing and respiratory function. Now we see the comparison with other drugs. In homeopathy, several remedies are used for respiratory and allergic conditions, but each has its own distinctive indication. For example, antimonium tart is indicated when there is a rattling of mucus in the chest with great difficulty in expectoration, along with marked weakness. Another important remedy is ipecac, which is useful in spasmodic cough with nausea and constant breathing difficulty. A third remedy is calibicromicum, known for thick, sticky, stringy mucus that is difficult to expel. Compared to these remedies, Yerba Santa is particularly useful when there is a chronic bronchial congestion with a feeling that mucus cannot be easily raised, especially in asthma-like conditions and tropical eosinophilia. Now we will see the concluding part. To conclude, Yerba Santa is a valuable homeopathic remedy for chronic bronchitis, asthma, and respiratory conditions with excessive mucus accumulation, including tropical eosinophilia. When prescribed according to the totality of symptoms, it helps to relieve the chest congestion, it improves expectoration, and ease out the breathing. As always, homeopathic medicine should be used under the guidance of a qualified homeopathic physician for safe and effective treatment. Thank you.